Okay, so this is the Entur app. So when you click open it, you get this option, buy ticket. So buy ticket. And then, so the things at the bottom there. Then you get this option, and you scroll down. If you're in Bergen, it's Skyss. So scroll down to Skyss, because that's the Westland. Tap that one. You get this option, and if you're in the centrum or if you're going to the airport, it's Zone A. So tap that and click Zone A, and that one, Zone A. Then there's all your options for tickets. You don't need to do anything else, basically. Click the option that you want, click next, and then there's all your options. You don't even have to register, you don't have to do anything else. It's really easy. That will allow you then to buy a 7-day pass, if you need a 7-day pass, or a monthly pass for the Skyss, the light rail, which covers obviously the buses as well. It's a much better option than using the actual Skyss app, because it's a nightmare. I've just been trying to use it with a foreign phone and SMS messages and this and that. It just makes no sense. So this is a much easier and better option, the Entur app, Entur.